Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this small parcel. Actually, this I purchased for one of my customers. So let's open up. I mean, local customer. He will collect it from me. Okay. So inside we have another packaging. Okay. So that's all inside. Another pouch. So let's quickly open this also. Okay, inside we have another pouch. Oh my god, this is too sticky. Okay, let's open this. Okay, so here another taping. Okay, here we have the note itself. You can see it's a 200 rupees Gem UNC condition note. The serial number you can see here is all five. So this is have been arranged for a I mean direct customer. He came directly to our office. So let's quickly deliver this to him. So if you like to get these type of currencies, you can contact us. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching.